At Wellborn Cabinet, heirloom quality is not just an expression, it's a way of life. Family owned and operated, we are proud to say that our products are made in the USA. Every component of Wellborn Cabinetry is crafted with solid construction and a focus on structure and durability. To create a smoother surface and eliminate cross-grain scratches, the fronts and backs of all of our doors, drawer fronts, and face frames are all hand-sanded. Wellborn has created a family of brands to ensure that our products align with the style and budgetary needs of any homeowner. Whether you're building an affordable first home or the home of your dreams, Wellborn Cabinet has a stylish and functional solution to meet your needs. With over 30,000 door styles and finish combinations, Wellborn's Premier and Estate series offer a wide variety of selections to accommodate every design from traditional to transitional to contemporary. Whether it's a beautiful full overlay, a traditional overlay, or a precision inset, all of Wellborn's doors represent beauty, style, and quality and are crafted from American-grown timber that is hand-picked for our vertically integrated sawmill. Solid wood doors are available in cherry, character cherry, maple, character maple, oak, and hickory. All species of these wooden doors are available in a variety of stained finishes. A number of painted finishes are also offered for our maple and oak doors. The wood's natural characteristics and grain subtly peek through the paint, giving these cabinets a unique, one-of-a-kind appearance. Many of these finishes can be enhanced with a glaze highlight and finish technique. All of our cabinetry series also offer Wellcore medium-density fiberboard doors. Wellcore has very consistent surface properties, which means paint will lay smoothly and create a great bond on flat surfaces, which makes Wellcore the ideal choice for those homeowners who prefer uniform cabinet surfaces. Wellborn's Premier series combines high fashion with dependable quality. Furniture board cabinet construction with laminated wood grain interiors comes standard in this series, and an all-plywood construction upgrade is also available. Strong, durable, and designed to last a lifetime, our solid wood 5/8" drawers have finished sides, dovetail construction, full extension undermount drawer slides, and soft close technology. Offering both overlay and inset door profiles, the Premier series is sure to accommodate a wide variety of design aesthetics. With a slightly broader selection of inset door styles, Wellborn's Estate series comes standard with all plywood construction and natural finish plywood veneer interiors. The same fantastic solid wood dovetail drawer from the Premier series also comes standard in the Estate series. Aspire is Wellborn's full-access frameless line of cabinetry. By design, this brand offers more storage space along with the clean, minimalistic design that it reflects. With Aspire cabinetry, you can choose from any of the oak, maple, character maple, hickory, cherry, and character cherry door styles offered in our framed collections. The same gorgeous colors and finishes from Wellborn's framed lines are also available. Decorative laminate veneer doors are exclusive to Aspire cabinetry and feature solid colors ranging from matte super white to high gloss poppy red and specialty colors like high gloss gold and sepia. Door material options consist of metal, acrylics, embossed and heavy textured melamine, which are available in a variety of colors in both horizontal and vertical wood grains, and lastly, matte or high gloss laminates. Cabinet interior color options include natural wood, white, and gray. 3 drawer options are offered in Aspire cabinetry: wood, deluxe metal, and superior metal. All feature full extension, soft close, undermount drawer slides. Wellborn's Color Inspire paint program is available on maple and Wellcore door styles in the Premier, Estate, and Aspire series. This program offers a broad selection of colors from Sherwin-Williams, Valspar, and Benjamin Moore. With the Premier, Estate, and Aspire series, you can take advantage of Wellborn's You Draw It program. This allows for the customization of cabinets in any room of the home. The You Draw It custom cabinet program includes an offering of cabinets and modifications not currently shown in the Premier Series catalogs, including the following: special sizes, modifications, custom options, and special cabinets. With You Draw It, you can combine cabinets vertically, horizontally, or extend the depth of standard back panels. From concept to creation, the customization options are practically endless. Wellborn's Select series accommodates the most modest new home construction and remodeling projects. This series offers a minimal yet varied selection of overlay doors ranging from traditional to transitional, and even offers an assortment of Wellcore MDF doors with a variety of finish options. Standard features include furniture board cabinet construction as well as furniture board drawers. All plywood construction and solid wood drawer options are also available. Maximize the overall function and style of your cabinetry by adding innovative storage solutions, decorative glass, ornate molding, and other creative customization options. Wellborn's Smart Design offering includes a vast selection of interior accessories, providing storage for every cabinet. The touch-to-lift, open, and close technology moves items with ease and eliminates visible door opening hardware, providing an uncluttered, minimalist look. Lighting is also key in all rooms for both design and a pleasing aesthetic. Wellborn has partnered with Hafele to provide high-quality LED lighting solutions that you can depend on. With Bathscapes by Wellborn Cabinet, your perfect bath vanity awaits. Featuring Wellborn's extensive selection of door styles, materials, and finish combinations from the Estate, Premier, Select, and Aspire Frameless series, choose from over 90,000 options and bring your dream bathroom to life. From traditional suites to modern wall mounts and every look in between. Elegant Bath is an extensive collection of designer vanity suites and accessories. These standalone pre-configured designs are divided into suites that cover a broad range to help coordinate your design aesthetic. Furniture, modern, transitional, traditional, and classic. Seemingly floating in air, Wellborn's wall mount vanities are sure to offer space-saving solutions and enhance any design style. Rest assured that the Wellborn cabinets you purchase are the green choice for generations of families and the environment. Wellborn Cabinet, family owned and proudly made in the USA.